Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we've got an exciting product that's making waves in the world of floor cleaning. If you're tired of struggling to keep your laminate floors looking their best, then you're in for a treat because we're going to introduce you to the best way to clean laminate floors on the market. I present to you the Microfiber Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning by Deresham. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Now, let's get started. The Microfiber Spray Mop by Deresham comes with a range of fantastic features that make it stand out from the competition. First off, it's designed to make your cleaning tasks efficient and effortless. You can fill the bottle with water or your favorite cleaner, and with a simple push of the trigger, it turns the liquid into a fine spray, saving you both water and cleaning time. Assembly is a breeze, taking just seconds to snap the pieces together. No more struggling with complex setups. Plus, it's lightweight, so you can easily operate it with just one hand, saying goodbye to heavy buckets and mops. Now, here's where it gets exciting. This microfiber spray mop isn't limited to just one type of cleaning. It's a wet and dry mop in one. The microfiber mop cloths are highly effective at cleaning dirt and hair, ensuring that your floors are spotless. And check this out, it's multifunctional and can be used on various surfaces, including wooden floors, hardwood, cement, tile, and laminate floors. The mop head can rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny in your home effortlessly. But wait, there's more. When you purchase this microfiber spray mop, you get not one, not two, but 5 extra replacement and washable mop pads. These pads are fantastic at picking up dirt and grime. There's also a handy mop holder and a scraper included. The scraper is a lifesaver for removing hairs, stubborn stains, and even sewage from the pads. Plus, the mop holder allows you to save space by hanging the mop on the wall while keeping it dry. Now, let's talk about the price. You won't believe it, but it's currently on a Black Friday deal on Amazon for just $16.99. That's a 15% discount from its typical price of $19.99. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can grab it as an exclusive Prime deal. Before we wrap up, let's briefly compare it to some other products in the market. We have the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop, but it's priced much higher at $33.99. And there are other options too, but none offer the same combination of features and affordability as the Microfiber Spray Mop by Deresham. In conclusion, if you want the best way to clean laminate floors with ease and efficiency, the Microfiber Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning by Deresham is your top choice. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deal, and click the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next product critique review.